Lecture 21, Declarative Navigation with Navigator 2.0, Creating the Router. Router configures the list of pages the navigator displays. It listens to state managers and, based on the state changes, configures the list of page routes. Under lib folder, create a new directory called navigation. Within that folder, create a new file called app_router.dart and let's starting writing the app_router class. Router delegate defines how the router listens for changes to the app state to rebuild the navigator's configuration. AppRouter extends router delegate. With this, the system will tell the router to build and configure a navigator widget. Declares global key, which is a unique key across the entire app. Declares app state manager, with which the router will listen to app state changes to configure the navigator's list of pages. Declares WebLN service to listen to the user's state while making invoice or sending payment. Accepting app state manager and WebLN service as required parameters. Setting the navigator key in initializer list and then the constructor body with, to-do add listeners, for now. Then, to-do, dispose listeners. Router delegate requires us to add a build method. This configures our navigator and pages. Configures a navigator. Uses the navigator key, which is required to retrieve the current navigator. Declares pages, the stack of pages that describes our navigation stack. We will add the screens in the future lecture. Do add these to-dos in your project as well. Set new route path to null, we will replace it ahead. Now that we've defined our router, we'll let it handle routing requests. That's it for this lecture. Thank you.